Alright, so good morning. This is actually the time is currently 7:03, and I'm actually just going to be showing you some things in the chat. I'm looking forward to today. I already shared my weekly outlook for the week, um, but I'm just going to be going into the screen now and just be sharing what I'm actually going to be looking out for today. I actually saw setup I'm going to be waiting for, and if it happens to play out, then I will be taking it. So all I can do now is just to wait. So I'm just taking it to the chat. So this is the chat. Okay, let me delete this first. Let me delete this channel. Yeah. All right. So this is what I'm looking out for. Actually, well, I mean, when I was doing the weekly outlook for the day remains day outlook, actually saw this setup here. Well, I could not even change it. I just actually mapped it out and I knew it was going to play out. So what I actually saw was I was seeing it did a triple top here already, and this sorry, and this region has actually proven to be a very solid zone. The price is finding it very hard to actually break out of. So once the upon seeing a pullback into that zone, actually just put this, and in split seconds, like market just tanked down a little bit here. Let me expand this. Market just splashed down. The second candle opened and it came here. But actually went to sleep around this region, and market create an correctional move then, and impulsive move to complete the setup. So that was actually what actually so, but this is still invalid. But upon seeing that, and since this zone is a very strong zone, and of course I drew a trend line from here. Let me and one of the things actually made me know rather that this setup is going to hold, considering the fact that this zone is has already proven to be a very strong zone, is that there is a trend line coming from here. And as you can see, we have the first touch here, second touch here. So definitely you are going to come and have the third touch. And I'm expecting the third touch to actually come and, because this is actually a kind of a mini trend, and I don't expect it to actually hold for long. And as you can see, it actually broke through this region already. So what I'm actually expecting now is for price to actually come down to this level, because there is a trend line coming from uh the bottom here. We have, hold on, we have the first touch here, second touch here. So I'm expecting the third touch around this region here. So I'm expecting price to actually come down to this region. Then I'll look for entry. Then I'll look for entries around this region. As you can see, this zone is also a very strong zone, and there's also a psychological level here, and also a trend line. So the likelihood of a reversal is very possible here. So what I'll actually be waiting for is for price to come to this region, and then watch out for candlestick reaction off of the region. Then I will be taking action off of whatever price is actually doing. So that's just basically what I'm going to be waiting for as of now. Alright, so as you can see, the time is currently 11:24. So I've literally been waiting since it's around 7 o'clock for this shade to come to my point of interest, and you can see it's approaching my point of interest already. So what I still have to do is just wait for it to tap me in it. Let's just see. Yeah, so the time is currently 2:19, and we are yet to be tapped in actually on the trade. So I'm still being optimistic. Hopefully price comes to my zone, tap me and go in my direction, and let's just see. But as of now, I'm heading out, and I'll update you in the night. Let me just show you what price is doing currently. So this is what price is doing currently. I'm still being optimistic. You can see it just came close to my zone here and went up. I'm still being optimistic. The price is coming here and it's going to move up very well. Uh, just being very optimistic that it's correct. So up until this and then we have that impulsive move to the upside. So the time is 2:20. So I'm heading out currently. Actually just go back home and not quite long and actually just saw that price has already tapped us in and it's somehow moving in our direction currently, but I'll just take you into the screen and just show you what I'll be expecting. I won't be doing much of anything. I'll just let it play out because I do not even trade in the night, but it is what it is. It already tapped me in already, so there's nothing I can do about that. And just leave it to play out. And if it works out, fine. If it does not, still fine. It's still within my risk. So anytime that happens, happens. So let me just take it. The funniest part is how that you can actually wait the whole day just for your setup to play out, and it might not even come to your zone, and you just have it like that. But it has tapped us in currently, and let's just see what happens. I'll actually be showing you what is going on the screen now. So as you can see, I was actually waiting for this set of scenes around 8 and 7 o'clock in the morning, and imagine it just played. It just even tapped me in. Let me check the time now because I'm just getting to let's say around around 6:45. Imagine 6:45 p.m. That was when it tapped me. I was in a meeting when all this happened. So I didn't even I just go back not quite long, like I've said earlier. So I'm just also checking it. And it's actually moving. So I'll just leave it to play out, and let's just hope it's going to be a good one. As the market can still come back and markets can still come back and hit us out of stop loss. That's the market can just do basically anything. But as of now, I'm in on the trade already, and let's just see. So I have to extend this. Yeah. Okay, let me do this and just shift it here. This is just it stopped me in here. So let's just put it like that. So whatever price does actually, I want to be leaving it to run overnight. Tomorrow morning I'll come on the charts, look at whatever it does, and I'll just take action off of that. So that's just basically it for today. And as of now, ends up currently 9:05 p.m. And so for today, I can't even manage anything. And I can't manage anything today. It's gone. So tomorrow we just see and hope for the best. Yeah. So that's it for now. I'll see you later. All right. So good morning. So it's currently 7:43, and I'm just about to go and check what is happening in the markets. I woke up quite a bit uh of time ago now, but I've not checked the chat because I had to God first. So I'm about to just go check the chat and just check whatever price is doing. But let's just see. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, yo. I'm just saying this. This was so close to my stop loss. Wow, this was so close to my stop loss, bro. This was so close to my stop loss. So close, so close, so close. So this is where we are at now, currently. But this was less than. This should be less than a pip to my stop loss. Oh. Wow, this is massive. I want to measure. I have to measure. This was barely less than a pip to my stop loss. Wow, but I'm still up. I'm still in the trade. Still in the trade. I'm trying to load my meta trader. Still in the trade. Oh, sorry, network. Sorry. Alright. So let me try connecting. I'm still in the trade. As you can see, I'm still in the trade. Still in the trade. Still in the trade. Still moving. Still moving. So I think it has already done 1 to 1 already as of now. Let me check. I think it has moved 1 to 1. Let me make sure. Yeah, it has even passed 1 to 1. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be breaking even. So if price even come back to hit me out, that's going to be fine. But I doubt this price is going to still come back here too. Because it's a very strong zone actually. But so I doubt if price is going to come back here to this region. So I'll just simply be breaking even, moving my stop loss to uh break even. So I'll be running risk free on this trade. I'll be running risk free on this trade. Um, let me just do that. Let me do that now. Uh, so that's done. That's done. So I'll just simply be waiting for. Okay, let me check if there's any news. Today's 11th. Okay. Okay. There is news by 2:30. There's news by 2:30. Uh, let's just see what's going to happen. We should be out before. I might actually just close the trip for 1 to 2. But let's just see. Let's see. So that's all that has happened so far. And as of now, I'm at break even, and 1 to 2 should be the around the thereabout. So I'll be closing for 1 to 2. Let's just see how it goes. So that's all. I'm just trading GPUSD. Majorly, that's the only guy I trade for now. For now. For now. Gold is a no go for me currently because it's too volatile. It's just too volatile market. That was just it. Enough of my ranting. I'm at break even already, and let's just let the market play out. So we're currently on our way to TP. A good broker. It's very a good broker is very, very, very important. Imagine at this point where price was. I'm sorry. Yeah, around this region. My stop loss was the other time. Sorry, around this region here. If you don't have a good broker, you would already be stopped out. So getting a good broker is very, 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 very expensive. And I recommend Exness. I'll be dropping the links in this description to sign up with them. Exness is actually a very, very good brokerage firm, and that's what I'm using currently. That's what I'm using, and I've not had any issues with them so far. So
I'll drop the link in the description. Make sure you sign up with them. They are, at least so far, they are one of the best, if not the best currently. So do sign up with them, because I never imagined that I wouldn't be stopped out. 1p, just a peep. So it's very, very exciting. Get a good broker, and I'm recommending Exness. This is not a sponsored video, but I've used them, and they are very, very reliable. So get yourself Exness. The link is going to be in the description. I'm out. Yeah. Yes, I'm currently out of the trade, and I'm still chasing price to actually move beyond, but that zone is a very, very is a very shady zone. So there are weeks upon that point, so I don't even want to risk anything. But I'm still certain price might break above it. But I don't have the time for that. I've held this trade for too long than to look at what it reverse, because it might as well still reverse off of that point, because there's a lot of looking at dating back, there's a lot of weak rejections around that region. Let me just go into the screen and show you what I'm trying to say so you can understand.
Now, as I said, I was expecting price to actually still break out, but this zone is still a very, very sketchy zone, because there's a lot of wicks around here. Let me just try to point out what I'm trying to say so you can. Right? Yeah. So as you can see, this zone is a very strong zone. The likelihood of price breaking out of this place is going to signify that there's going to be a lot of presence of buyers in the market. So if price should successfully break out of this region, then the buy is still going to continue, which I'm not going to be taking. I'm just going to be watching the movement of the markets. Because I'm not trading again now. Till probably New York session till I look at whatever price is going to do in New York session. That's going to be after the news like I've said again. So NFP got reduced to 30, yeah, to 30. But I did not actually take the trade. I already mapped it out, but before I could come back to check the charts, long before the move actually happened, I was anticipating a sell. And let me just show you. Alright, so I was anticipating a sell out of this region here. So I was kind of thinking this level was going to hold, but I eventually did not even take that setup. So because I knew its price can just start moving to the downside, that's to give us an impulsive move that's going to be much more higher than this before, giving us that retracement to the downside. So I actually just took this as my expectation, but actually I went to try to do something. But when I go back into the chart, price was already around this region, and I couldn't even take the setup again because it has already left my zone, and I wasn't even expecting the price to come back, because it's a huge move that actually happened already, and it tested this trend line we drew on 1 hour time frame. This trend line that we had here. So it actually has a counter trend, so it rejected off of that region, and this is also a zone. As you can see, dating back, this zone is a strong zone that it has been holding. This one also held for a very long time. You see this one, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. So also we saw the rejection here. So I was just expecting market to just come up into this level, give me weeks, then I'm going to enter. But I wasn't able to enter into the trade actually. Alright, good morning. So it's currently 7:15, and I'm about to check the chart for possible setups, and if I see one I'll be taking, and if I don't see, I'll just wait and let's just see what is going to happen. So this Thursday, so that's it for now. Let's go into the charts. So I was going to be waiting for this new candlestick to actually close above the high of the week to confirm the buy entry. So that's what I'm looking forward to now. You can see the previous candlestick before this new one that formed. It actually closed bullish, forming something like a pin bar. Let's just see. So if this new candlestick that just opened, if it closes above the high of the week, then I'll be winning for you buy. And my stop loss will just be below the just need to be below the week of this bullish candlestick that actually formed before this one that has currently formed, or that is forming currently. So let's see. Alright, so I'm at break even already currently on this trade. As you can see, price reversed very close to my break even, and it's then reversed. So upon this region, I'm still expecting a breakout from this region. So this price is just coming down to just form like correcting a little bit, then we're going to have that impulsive to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for currently. So that's it for now. It's for price to actually come to this trend line and then bounce off it.
That's what I'm looking out for. If it breaks through, then it's coming to us break even, no doubt. But if it bounces off, then we are going to have the bullish move to the upside. So that's the last tick, and the worst that can happen is just for it to come and take out my break even. That's just it for now. Alright, so it's currently 12:20, and price is actually moving back in our direction. And I'll be showing you in a bit, but I actually want to mention a few things before I actually continue. And one of the things I would actually like to say is um, learn to keep things simple. Learn to keep things simple. That's very, very important. The second one I would like to say is don't overcomplicate things for yourself. And the third one, believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. I'll be showing you the chart now and what I was expecting, how it is playing out now. And it's not supposed to be that hard. Just know if it does not work, that means the market actually is just doing its thing. That does not mean your strategy does not work again. That just means, oh, market is just doing its thing. A loss should not, it should not talk with your psychology actually. So enough of the talk, let me just show you what the chart is doing currently and where I'm looking at taking profits as of now. So I'll be doing that now. Let's go into the screen.
Price is actually doing currently. I'm actually still expecting markets to do so. Job, let me delete this and show you something. So I was saying I'm expecting this price to come test the trend line. It came here, tested it, and it's already moving in our direction already. So what I'll be doing is I'm just going to be waiting patiently, looking for whatever price does around this region, yeah. Then I'll be taking action off of that. So I'm still expecting a push to the upside. That's what I'm expecting, a push to the upside. Push at least to this extent here. But I'll be going out for the trade around this region. But let's see whatever price does. I'm be reacting off of that. If I see multiple weeks around this region, I'm going to be exiting the markets. And that will be it for today. But let's see.
Alright, so my break even is now around here. So as you can see, this level is a very strong level, and as I see, when price is going to come back, it should just come and hit me out. Yeah. But if it comes back to touch this trend line, it should actually move up. But let's see. Let's see. It might as well reverse at this region, just a little bit of displacement here, and then continuation to the other side. I'm still being optimistic. Let's see what's going to happen.
Alright, so price actually took me out at break even. Where I checked my break even to around this region. And I was supposed to up out of the trend around here, like I said earlier, but I went to do something and that was the reason why I could not later close out at this region because this is as has been a reason that has been holding lately. The momentum price was using to come down to shift to the downside. If it's broke, if it's rather if it breaks below this trend line, it's probably just coming straight down. So that was how I shifted my break even and locked in some profits. And also I was supposed to get out of the trade around this region because I knew it was just coming here to form a an M pattern to come down. But I was not on the charts, and that was that about that. So we are out at break even. So tomorrow, because I'm not sure I'm going to be taking into again today. It's common sense. Had it been I had already gone out of the trade around here, I would have taken this sell. I would have taken this sell upon the close of the candlestick, and my stop would have been around here. Then I'll just go for 1 to 2 sharp, and this would have been taken successfully. But it's what it is. It is what it is currently. So I'm at break. No, I secured a little bit of profit, and that's about today. So till tomorrow, I'm not sure I'm going to be taking anything. I want to post anything. I'm not seeing anything. Although I'm seeing something, but no, I choose not to see. So till tomorrow, I come back to the market and just do what I ought to do and just let everything play out. So that's it for Thursday. So I'm going out of the trade today, 2 o'clock. That's massive, 2 o'clock. It's a good one. All right. So see you tomorrow.
Yeah, so it's currently 12:23, and I've not been able to take any trade today. The network is very, very bad, and I guess that's going to be it for this week. And we are often optimistic. Next week is going to be a very fantastic one as well. Do well to document your trades. do well to document your trade. As you can see, all trades I've taken so far, everything is documented. I documented every single one of them. So make sure you document in your ad book, or also you can document it in your Notion online as well. You can have it in case you don't have access to an internet connection. You can have access to this. So just for easy access, just simply it. If it's convenient for you to have it online, use Notion. It's also a very fantastic stuff they have going on there, so you can generate your trades on there. And also this is the real OG. So that's gonna be it for today and this week. So this video is going to be dropping tomorrow. Yeah, you might probably seeing this now. So I'll go start editing. So have a good one, have a good trading week ahead of you as well. I hope this week was also a very very good one for you as it was for me. So do well to enjoy the video. I hope you're enjoying it, and I hope you actually learn a thing or two from it. So that's gonna be it. Thank you very much for sticking to the end of this video. Make sure you like, you share, and comment as well. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be one of the first persons to actually get access to my videos whenever I drop one. Thank you very much. God bless you.